Go.
Hi, here we are. We're at Archbishop Wood, and we're preparing to do the sheep lab, the sheep brain lab. And here's the preserved sheep brain. And all we really want you to do here for this lab is to take a look at some of the major parts of the brain. Here on the sheep is the cerebrum, and you see the convolutions in it, and you know from your reading what the terms are that are used for the valleys and the ridges. And this is the frontal part of the brain. This is the part of the brain that in Phineas Gage in our journal club were damaged in Phineas Gage by the railroad accident. The other thing about that you should notice, though, about the cerebrum is that it's divided into two hemispheres. This is the left hemisphere. It's the sheep's sort of looking at you from this angle. So that's the left hemisphere, and this is the right hemisphere from the sheep side. Behind the cerebrum is the cerebellum, and you see it has little ridges on it, but they're quite different than the nature of the ones on the cerebrum. Then if we turn the brain over, you can see some of the brainstem structure down here. A lot of the nerves from the brain enter the body, come off from this part. And then the only other structure I think that you can really take a look at is this light band of tissue right here. That's going to head off into the eyes, and this is in fact the optic nerve that's heading off, with large bands of neurons heading toward the eyes. Okay, so that's about it on the overall structure of the sheep brain.